Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start your Strava subscription. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Strava app. And here it opens up in the home menu, where we have our recorded runs or walks. From here, we have to go into the profile menu here in the bottom right corner under U, and then tap on the little cog in the top right corner. Then at the top under account, we find current subscription. We can tap on this, then tap on continue, then start free trial. Then we can tap on start free trial again. And here we can just continue to fill out the things needed and start our subscription with the benefits mentioned. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.